You ever watch a stream and you see something cool like this? And you're like, whoa, Rollo, how did you do that? And he's like, I'm not going to tell you. Those are my secrets. And you're like, fine, I'm going to go to YouTube and figure it out myself. And now you're on this channel watching me, Rollo, teach you how to do this. That was awkward. Anyhow, I'm going to show you how to get started by downloading and setting up Streamer.bot. First, we're going to go to Streamer.bot. I'm going to put it in the link in the description just in case you don't know how to spell Streamer.bot. We're going to go ahead and download it. And once it opens, it's going to download in a zip file. And we are going to extract it. I would put it in a new folder somewhere, like maybe on your desktop. So I made a new folder called blank Streamer.bot, and we're going to extract that. Okay, this file is going to pop up, and you're going to scroll down until you find this. You're going to open that up. It's going to tell you don't run it because it's scary, but it's not scary. It's okay, so you can run it. Things are going to happen. This is going to pop up. And now you're looking at this and you're like, what is this? I don't know what's going on. I give up. It's too complicated. You're going to close it out. Don't close it out. It's not that complicated. We're going to get through it. I promise. All right. First, you're going to want to go into OBS and you're going to want to go into Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and you're going to want to click Enable WebSocket Server. And then you can click this, Enable System Trace. That's just going to have a thing that pops up down here that tells you when it's connected. You want your server port to be 4455. And then you're going to want to either generate a password or make your own password. And then you're going to go into Streamer.bot and go into Stream Apps and click Add. You're going to want to name it whatever you want, something that you'll remember or not. I'm going to name mine Blurg for whatever reason. And then I'm going to put it on version 5. And you see that the port changed to 4455 like it was. And you're going to want to put in your password. Hold on, let me drag this off real quick. And go ahead and click Auto Connect on startup and reconnect on disconnect. And you should have this now, and we are going to click connect, and you should be connected. And that little notification popped up. It's on my other monitor, so you didn't see it. And that is how you get connected to Streamer.bot. On the next video, I plan on showing you how to make like a simple follow alert. If there's anything that you want to know or anything that you want to see, let me know, and I will work on it. Thank you. Goodbye. One last thing. You're going to want to go into platforms and then go here and log in to Twitch. Okay, goodbye. Oh, also follow and check me out on twitch.tv/Rollison.